Welcome! In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A70, and today I will show you how you can record your screen on this phone. So to get started, hold down your notification panel, expand it, and locate the screen recorder toggle, which for me is right over here. Now this is the default location of the toggles. I haven't changed the orientation of them, so hopefully you can find your toggle in the same exact location. Anyway, once you locate it, you can simply tap on it. This will give you a limited options right here. So we have record audio, so we have a microphone. You can tap on the drop down right here, select instead of microphone a device audio or both. I'm just gonna go with device audio. Once you choose one, as you can see, it automatically turns it on as well. And you can also select to record screen touches. If you want that, you can toggle it on. From here we can tap on start, which will give us a countdown, and then after it counts down, it starts recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. If you open some kind of app, that will be recorded. And once you're done with your recording, you can pull down your notification, tap to stop, and there we go. It has now finished the recording and saved it into our Photos application. As you can see, there it is. When you tap on it, you'll be able to view it. So there we go. That is how you can record your screen on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.